Hi, I'm going to talk about passive income domination, a program which has been put together by a guy called Dominic Anderton. Lots of people don't know what passive income is, and what I like about this here is there's an explanation. Oh, and by the way, the cost of this program is $7. God, I mean you can't go much cheaper, can you? $7. That gives you a taste of what's to come, because they have upsales, and these upsales are not so terribly expensive, but with the taste that you get for $7, you know the quality that you're going to get when you buy the next level up and so on. Anyway, is the passive income, what is passive income and why does it work? This is what they write down here. The online passive income myths. Passive income 101. Well, I'm damned if I know what that means, but there you go. 101. Passive income versus active income. That'll be interesting to read. Don't make those 5 online passive income mistakes. Well, those, or I don't know what those are, but don't make 5 mistakes. Why you need to capture leads and not make sales. Well, not just make sales. Okay, fair enough. 3 ways to boost your bottom line with passive income. That's good. Use these blogging strategies to earn passive income. Is Amazon Kindle the ultimate passive income opportunity? Service arbitrage for passive income. Creating a passive income funnel. Oh, that should be interesting. The best ad strategy for passive income, and grow your passive income without burning the midnight oil. Passive. Anyway, passive income is interesting, which means that it basically means you have got money coming in with very little, if any, effort. The initial effort, I suppose, will be setting up your program to start with, and then sit back and just let the money come trickling into your bank, or gushing in, one hopes. Anyway, I think you get they offer 3 bonuses here as well, but I'm going to give you 5 bonuses, very nice bonuses, to do with, I'll try and see if I can do 5 with passive income, see what we have. But the bonuses will be worth a lot more than your $7. I mean, $7 wouldn't even pay for one of my 3 bonuses, which I'm going to give you, and I'm giving you 5. So, whilst you're in my program, if you click on this $7 gift, I will give you 5 bonuses. And I think that's about it. There's nothing else for me to say. Good luck, and I'll talk to you another time. Cheers. Bye.